Hey friends, I wanted to do a quick video for you about Canva that you're going to use for one of your assignments. First thing you would do is establish an account, and all you have to do is use your email and then your Gmail account, and it'll establish a free account. And we're going to be creating a poster, or several posters actually. So you're going to click here on poster, and then you're going to pick a template that you like. There's hundreds of templates. You do not need to use the one that I'm going to use, but I'm actually going to use this one. I sort of like it, Festival of Lights. The other thing is I want to give it a title for the poster. Whatever that might be. In order to be able to manipulate the poster, you need to have a title for it. It won't allow you to do it without the title. So here we go. If you wanted to just change font on this, you would just highlight it. You can make the font smaller. You can change the size of the space. Up here is where it says the size of the font. Let's drop it down to 96, a little bit more to make it fit. How about 88? There we go. And then you can change all the other words. You might want to write, I would delete all this, and I would put an opening paragraph on the poster of what you're trying to accomplish. Don't want that. So what we would do is add text, and we're just going to add a subheading, and we're going to drag it down here, and then we're going to change the font, the words, to say and I'd write a paragraph or so. Okay? Then we're going to add a new page. It will come just a blank page. You can add text on the page, and here it is. All sorts of title kind of things. We're going to just pick one that we like. And you can change the font, the text to say what you'd like. And then again, change the size of that font. Too small. Again, too small. So, and probably you wouldn't want pink on red, but that's your choice. And then you're going to write about some ethical scenarios, and you're going to put those in text boxes, and you're going to add some images. If you go to photos, there's hundreds of photos, thousands probably. If they say free, that means they're free. If they don't, then that means you have to pay for them. But the problem with using photos out of Canva is that they will have a watermark on them. So when you actually finish the poster, it's going to have X's all through it with the word Canva. So what I would prefer to do, and I've already done it here, is I went to Google and I just clicked on Google Images and looked for sunrise pictures, found one that I liked, and saved it. And then I uploaded it. There we go. Then I uploaded it here under images, and now I'm going to want to use one, so I just click on it and it shows up in my on my page. I can make it larger, I can make it smaller, I can flip it around, that kind of thing. And then I would have text boxes on the rest of the page explaining my answers to the scenario questions. With the picture, if you click on it, you can give it an effect. You can give it a filter. You can adjust it. You can crop it. Anything you want to do, really. And then that's pretty much Canva. You could make one poster with several of the scenarios on it, or you could make multiple posters. And I'm going to try to upload this. There we go. It's a high school prom. Anyway, you get the idea, and you could do a lot of things with this. But that's basically how you do it. When you're finished, one thing I found was key before I say you're finished, was giving the title up here of a project, because it will not let you add pictures or anything until you have some kind of title. We don't want to really print the posters. We're going to share the posters when we're done. You can print them out by downloading them. We go to share, we can get a link to our picture, and it's copied now on our clipboard. When we're all finished, we can go to Canvas to the assignment that's due, and then just paste that link in there, and then your instructor will be able to see your work. Okay? I hope that was helpful. It's really pretty simple. It takes a little bit of fiddling around with it, but it's really cool once you get going. Thank you very much.